Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to host a website in AWS S3. So let me screen share my screen. So in order to go, you need to have a bit experience in how to create buckets and everything. But eventually I will explain everything, how to create bucket and all. So here my S3 bucket. So I'm just logging my AWS console and open my AWS. Just you need to go to the search box and search S3. S3 is a simple store services where you can store a big amount of data, whatever amount of your data you had, you can store in our AWS S3. So here I need to create my bucket name. My bucket name should be globally unique. What I mean, globally mean like throughout the world, you need to have a unique name, then only it will accept. And you don't need any spaces in between it. And moreover, you don't need to use any uppercases. So what I will do, so project DevOps, no, I mentioned my name, Project Cloud 1. And I'm selecting US East 1 as I'm very near to here. So just what I'm doing is I'm disabling the access. I don't want anyone to access. I want here initially by default, it was a private access. So what I'm doing here was I'm enabling public access. So everyone can access my website. So here I can click on, I'm acknowledging that I'm accessing public. So create bucket. Yes, now my bucket got created. What's my bucket name? My bucket name was Project Cloud 1 is my bucket name. So I created my bucket. So what I need to do, I need to add the all the, if you need to host a website, whatever website you want to host, you need all CSS, HTML files, everything you need to upload it to particular bucket. So here there is a website called HTML5 update, up.net. You can get the free templates and everything. So here I'm downloading, just see everything whichever was feel good. So I want to download this one. So I'm downloading this thing. So now it's downloaded. So what I need to do, just I need to open this file, and initially it was unzipped file. So we need to, we need to make zip file. Yes. What I need to do, again, I'm screen sharing my screen right now. Yes. So just now I downloaded. So what I need to do, I need to add all my files to this particular file. So just click on upload, add files. So HTML5. So this is the file. So this is the file which I'm going to copy. Click on open. Now everything got, all what are the files, HTML, index.html, everything right now is uploaded to my AWS bucket. So I need to add the folders. So I'm adding the images. So yes, my images got uploaded to my S3 bucket. Assets also I'm uploading. Yeah. So all the 69 files are there in the folder, 3.2 GB. Yeah, it will take another 2 to 3 minutes to upload everything. Sure, it's like might be another 2 minutes of time. Be patient and wait for it. Yeah, now my files got successfully uploaded here. So just I'm going to again AWS console, S3 console. So what I'm doing here was just click on it. I'm going to the object action. So initially, like I want to make this public, my index.html. I want to make this particular file need to be public. So make it as a public. So what I'm doing, just I will access my HTML document. So here my HTML document, just open a new Chrome and just copy and paste. So you can see right now it was not like we uploaded complete all the documents, proper website, but you can see right now there was no drill downs, there was no CSS appearance. Okay, just showing them completely metadata. So what I need to do here, I mentioned the UI part was the HTML part, which you see was the HTML. So, but I only that particular HTML file, I just make it as a public. So what you need to do, you need to make everything, all the files whichever in the your S3 bucket, you need to make it as a public access. So then only, okay, just I'm selecting everything and I'm just making as a public access, make public. Yes. Now just click on the index.html file right now. So now this is our cloud project. So this is index.html. Just I'm copying this one. Okay. Here I'm pasting. Now you can see the proper website was you can see right now. So you can use this website. But the goal of this video and the goal of this project was we need to make it this website as a static hosting in S3. But just we normally we just downloaded one of the HTML template from the Google and just we uploaded all the CSS, HTML, all the photos, images, whichever it created in the back and everything. We just dumped into our S3 and just we just make it as a public access and just we are accessing through website. But this was not the ultimate goal for us. So we need to access the website as a static website. So I'll tell you that at the end, what is the difference between hosting and such like this and how we can hosting through static website. Just go to permissions. So this is your cloud.project one. Go to permissions. So just to see in the end, there was a thing called static website. See, you can see the static website right now was disabled. So you need to enable this one. Here I enabled and our file was index.html. So if you want, like, let's take an example. If your website went down, if you want to display anything, if you want to describe any, that our website was right now in under the processing or else we are in down. If you want to make anything, you can mention. So redirection rules. If the particular request or particular search was to your particular IP, if everything was good, that it will show our website. If not, if anything happened, we can mention here. So yeah, as of now, website was running good, so I don't want to change anything. So now I enabled my static hosting. Now you can see now initially when it was disabled, we don't have any access. Now it created a new public, a new URL here. So you need to copy the URL and go to your search bar and go to your Google Chrome and search it. Okay, now you can see here also it's showing our website. What is the difference between both of it? Let me show you clearly. Okay, why it was not difference between hosting since HTML and hosting from this particular website. It was simple. Like the difference was very, very simple. Like just I'm copy pasting here. You can see. Let me check. Okay, the difference was only pretty simple. Here, after this the URL after the static hosting. Okay. Okay. And I'll show you before our URL what was our case. From S3. Okay, when we deployed our files in S3, it will show this URL. We can access our website to both of the URLs, but the thing was here it shows it. You can see that it was the HTTPS project, and it was a completely unsecured one. But you can see from the static host, it was a completely HTTP project.cloud.1. Okay, it was completely secure one, and if you want anything, you can enable the encryption also. And here you can see it shows directly HTTP. This was our project name, right? Project Cloud One and S3.Amazon AWS index.file. But you can see completely, it will show you proper website format. You can see http.projectcloud.one s3.website. The availability zone which we installed the backend things, all the files and everything. We installed USeast1, which was located in North Virginia. You can see website is .amazon.com. So these are the different things. And compared to normal, from deploying from S3 and the static hosting have a lot of security thing. Here it was not secured. So as AWS best practices, if you want to become a cloud engineer, so you need to see in a complete way, in a security purpose. So always I recommended to create a static website. And if you want to create anything like a HTML, if you want to deploy any own website also, you can deploy in your S3 bucket. So this was a complete video. I hope you understand everything. So if you want anything, just comment here. So I will give the URL to the HTML templates where you can download from the templates and all. So thank you so much.